It's something different about my drip. When I walk in, they always stare. I can see right through your acting, your intentions all so clear. Don't say a word, I just fall back and act like you were never here. What you heard, I get the bag, invested triple by next year. The way I flex, yeah.
Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can see and as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I have some new hair for you guys. I have this super cute bob right here. This is a fake scalp wig from Superbwigs, and I went ahead and did a really extra dramatic baby hair look with some extra little crystals. So if you guys want to see how I styled this wig, installed it, how I got this look today, and also a little bit of like a review on this wig and a more in-depth show and tell, then just be sure to keep on watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, find it helpful in any way, or just find it entertaining, because it really helps me out a lot. And if you guys are interested on this makeup look, I did go ahead and do a little chit chat, get ready with me on this exact look, so I will have that link down below in case you guys want to check it out. As always, I will have everything linked down below, so be sure to check the description box down below if you have any questions or concerns, or you're interested in anything that I share in today's video. So like I mentioned, this wig is from Superbwigs. This is the first time that I've ever gotten a wig from them, and the box has been broken or ripped in any way, so I wasn't really too concerned because nothing inside was messed up either. But as you can see, this is their little logo on the front. It says Superbwigs Hair Company. Inside the box, you'll see that you have the wig and some goodies. They included an extra elastic band, even though one came in the wig already. They also included a little hair tie with a gem on it and a pack of wig caps as well. And this is what the wig looks like. It had a hairnet around it as well as tissue paper inside to help keep its shape. And this wig is so soft, guys. I'm literally cannot stress enough how soft this wig is, how much movement it has, and how beautiful it is. Like I mentioned, this is a fake scalp wig, so it has this insert inside of the wig cap, as you guys can see, which allows it to look like it has bleached knots. There is an insertable elastic band as well as a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And again, this is the wig straight out of the box, but I did go ahead and put it on my wig head, and as you can see, it has so much movement and is just so soft. It also has combs in the top of the wig as well. I didn't really show that, but you guys can see how natural that fake scalp looks. I went ahead and tried the wig on, and this is what it looks like. It literally looks like I bleached the knots or have just like scalp. Like, it looks so good, guys, and I did not do anything to it. This is it straight out of the box. I decided to leave my baby hairs out, but I wanted to try the wig on to see what the hairline looked like in case I needed to pluck it. But as you guys can see, the hairline looks so good. This is the base that I use for under my wig, and as I mentioned, I'm leaving my baby hairs out, so I'm just taking some water in my baby hair toothbrush and just making sure that my baby hairs are out of the way. I'm again trying the wig on to make sure everything looks okay and that I don't have to cut the hairline in a weird way. I'm giving Wayne's World vibes, but don't worry, we're going to straighten her and make her look really cute. And the fake scalp on it, I am going to add eyeshadow, so that front part of the lace is going to look better in the end. And again, I went ahead and cut off the lace, and I'm using the to be glue method because I feel like it's the most safe on my natural hair, being that I am applying this wig behind my hairline. I'm applying 3 layers and being sure to let the glue dry down to clear before I apply the next layer. And once I have the 3rd layer and it's like 70% dry, I'm grabbing the wig and bringing it forward and really pressing it down hard and pulling it side to side and kind of wiggling so that the wig and lace can set into the glue and melt into my scalp. And I'm using my nail to just push everything down, as you guys can see, making sure not to touch it with my actual fingertips, but just use the tips of my nail. I will see after that there is still some lace that is lift. Just go back in and take some got2b glue and just apply a layer wherever the lace is lifted. I did this really messily because, again, I have these long nails on and it's kind of hard to do this, but I let it dry down. I waited like 5 minutes, and then I used a rat tail comb to push everything into place. And of course, I'm setting everything with a scarf. I notice I have a little bit of white flakiness and I want to make this hairline look a little bit more natural. So I am going ahead and taking a wet little toothbrush and brushing down my baby hairs and brushing back at the hair a bit. I am going ahead and cutting the baby hairs that are already on the wig because it came with baby hairs or shorter hairs in the front, but I felt like they were a little too long. So I am going ahead and cutting that and just swooping my baby hairs how I like, applying some Got2b glue, and then I'm taking some regular just cheap gel, like clear gel, and using this and brushing this into the hairline to really just push and flatten and smooth that hairline down. And again, I'm setting everything with a scarf. I'm taking the Got2b glue free spray to lock everything into place, get rid of any extra white residue, and leave more of a shiny skin-like finish on the lace. And then I'm taking some random eyeshadow from a Profusions eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying this in the front part of that lace so that it can just blend a little bit better. And then I am taking a straightener and just bumping the hair and smoothing all of the hair over with this. Guys, I found this cheese straightener at Marshall's on sale for like $30-something, so I was so happy with this because my other straightener was dying. But as you guys can see, I like to section off kind of like an inch on the side of each part in the front, and I like to really like bump up the hair right there, add some volume, and make sure the top of the hair is really sleek, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the other side, and this is what the hair is left like. You guys can see it has so much movement. Again, it looks so good, and I'm just gonna get rid of those extra flyaways on top with some hairspray and use my little baby hairbrush to just smooth this into place. I'm taking a scarf, a different scarf, to just set and flatten the back of the hair, but not so much the front, and just adding some more eyeshadow around the hairline. And you can leave the hair like this and you're good to go. It'll look so good, as you guys can see. But I wanted to be extra, so I found some little pearls and nail gems that I had lying around. And as you guys can see, I also did my baby hairs a little more dramatic the next day. But I'm taking these little pearls and some Got2b glue. You do not need this much Got2b glue when you guys do this. You can just use a little bit right out of the container. But I'm going ahead and just placing little dots of the Got2b glue with the little rat tail comb where I want the little crystals to be placed. And I decided to just use the clear little gems. And you do not need to use tweezers. Again, I'm just being dramatic because I have these long nails and I kept dropping them. But you just need to place the little gems where you want them on the glue and just push them into place and let them. The gems literally lasted 48 hours and did not fall off. And when they came off, they didn't leave any residue or anything. So this is the final look, guys, as you guys can see, and I'm so obsessed with it. I love how it looks with these little gems and crystals. I feel like I was inspired by something I seen on Instagram or Pinterest with like baby hairs and like pearls. And I had these like nail art gems lying around, and I literally just added them with some Got2b glue, and they've stayed really well, and I feel like they'll come off really easily with just like some water if I just like pull them off. So I'm really happy with that. As far as this hair, as you guys can see, it's really sleek and really chic. It is a little bob, so it's super easy to like maintain and deal with. And as you guys saw, it was super easy to install. This being a fake scalp wig and the hairline already being pre-plucked and much thinner with like baby hairs and everything, it was so easy to install this wig, and it looks so natural in my opinion, guys. Like, I did not bleach the knots. I literally installed this wig and added eyeshadow. That was it. Literally, as you guys saw from the video, I cut just a little bit of the baby hairs and straightened the wig a little bit, and this is literally it. Now obviously, if you want to style this wig in a different way or do more to the wig, you can. As you guys know, I love to just come on here and basically install the wigs how they are, so you guys can really see how they're gonna look if you do decide to purchase this wig and try it yourself. I feel like a good bob is just such a classic go-to hairstyle that is so chic and timeless on anybody. I do kind of feel like I want to cut like more side bangs into the wig, or like maybe some bangs or something to add more shape and layers. But I do like how it looks, how it is. I just slightly bumped the ends and straightened it, and this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. You guys can see what the hair looks like. I probably missed some parts straightened, but the hair has a lot of movement to it. And one thing I will say, guys, this hair is so so soft, like extremely soft. Cannot stop running my fingers through it because it is so soft. So again, I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to check out this wig. It is definitely very good quality hair. Superbwigs offers very good high quality wigs. The cap construction on their wigs is extremely nice. The hair quality is extremely nice. It is human hair, so you can dye the wig, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to this wig, and you can tell based on how soft it is and how the hair feels that it's really nice quality hair and it's gonna last and maintain. I am obsessed with this fake scalp. It literally looks like a fake scalp. It looks like I bleached the knots, tweezed it, and added some tint or eyeshadow, and I didn't do any of that. So I'm so happy with how easy and how natural this looks. Even if you're not interested in this bob style, I would definitely recommend checking out Superbwigs and checking out their other fake scalp wigs, because I love how easy this was to install. Like you guys saw by the video, I barely did anything, and it's so cute. You can easily just tuck the hair behind your ears and showcase the baby hairs like this, and I just love it, guys. I'm so here for it. It's so easy. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this more in the summertime as well, because looks like this are just so easy to go to. But again, we're in quarantine. I barely want to do my hair ever these days, so a very low maintenance look like this is perfect. I'm so happy with it and so obsessed. Let me know what you guys think down below. Again, I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check out, so be sure to check the description box, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram so we can stay connected a little bit more. If you made it to the end of the video, comment some white hearts in the comment section down below so we both know that you made it to the end of the video, and I'll comment back. Be sure to check out my previous video. I'll also have it linked down below. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.